Married people, they think single people are happy in life. Sometimes are happy, sometimes are not happy, as they are in marriage. Because marriage, sometimes you can happy in marriage. There is time to be difficult times in marriage. It's the same applies to be single. To be single, there is some of the negative things to be single and positive ways. So sometimes don't say I'm happily single or do you wish to be single. Guys, it's not easy. You sleep alone, you wake up alone. Sometimes you wish maybe to have a man at your side. You understand? Guys, single people are struggling. So don't wish to be single. You say I wish to be single because I have got more freedom. What? Especially married people who are spending time with single people. Single people, they can lie to you that I'm very happy, but at night, at 12 o'clock, midnight, and you wake up, there is no one who is sleeping behind you. Guys, you are, you know that when you have got marriage, you are happily in your marriage, you are very blessed because you have got someone, your partner, who is sleeping with you side of you. Guys, single people, they wish they are married, but they don't want to tell you the truth that I wish to be married. You understand? They say I'm happily single. No, single people, yes, there is some of positive side as they are, you are in marriage. You understand? You know that when you are single, you have got freedom. No one will ask you where are you going. You came home at your time and you can cook whatever you want to cook. No one asks you. You understand? Yes, it's positive. And you don't maybe have pressure or you want to wash clothes for your husband, everything. You understand? But when you are married, you have to do those duties and you can't go or to leave your house without telling your partner that where are you going. You understand? So sometimes, guys, but when you are married, you are happy, you have got someone you can talk to, someone you are, guys, when to have a partner in life, it's a blessing. Not about you are spending time alone. Guys, it's not easy to spend time alone. Those single people, they are lying to you, and you tomorrow wish to be single. Guys, you know that it's very difficult nowadays to find a real partner. When you once you leave your partner, your real partner, you want to be single, you can't say you can find another chance to find the right person in this world, especially 2020. This world, it's very difficult. So when you have got a right person, a right man who is treating you, your marriage is very good. Don't wish to be single, guys. Don't wish to be single. You say I wish to be single. No,